Happy Thursday. It is already the last day of our school week, so we are going to head into this long weekend with a read aloud called Pete the Cat Rocking in My School Shoes. I know we love Pete the Cat here in this classroom. Hopefully you guys do too. Here we go. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall, in a room with books on every wall." Where could Pete be going? The library! Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? Let's find out. He's in the lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. In our classroom, we actually eat here. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green, grassy field with swings and slides. Can you guys tell where Pete is now? The playground, one of my favorite places. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. When Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" Pete says, "I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again after our 4-day weekend." Because it's all good. The end. Woo! What a great book. So that showed us some of the places that are in school. Next week, we're actually going to show you some of the places in our school. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next week. Enjoy your weekend.
Bye, guys.